Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be making the last video on the HTML series. Will be the part 10, and in this video, I will just be showing you formatting the text. Only three types of formatting and many other things. So this will be the last video of the HTML series part 10, and after that, after this video, I will be posting random videos which will be in the form of tutorials, unboxing videos, scientific tutorials and scientific tutorials and many other more things which we all related to science and technology. So let's begin our coding. We'll open Notepad, and also I just want to tell you that the next time we work with any programming languages, we will be working in a official platform, and by official I mean something like Visual Studio Code or other specific platforms are just made to make websites. So I will also show you how to use Visual Studio and many other things. So let's open Notepad. But just for HTML, I'm using Notepad. Otherwise, I will be using, for example, if you work with JS, CSS, C++, and Python or any other JavaScript or any other type of programming languages, we will use a platform, a specific platform, which I will also tell you how to use. So let's begin with our coding. First, just like always, we'll open HTML tag, write HTML, then a head, title, have formatting, text, close our title, and so we close our head, and then guys, now we will be having body, right? H. First, how to make a text italic style. For that, we'll just write I, write a I. Nice. Just close the italic. Put underline this text, right? Greeting. A very warm form. Close the line tag. And the last will be bold tag H tag. All of these put a break tag. Bold. Hide. Learning. Learning. Cut. Subscribe to it. Subscribe to spot because it will be very helpful to get it subscribed. Thing. So bold tag. like this. And we go to our desktop. It will already be converted into a Google Chrome website. Right, double click on it. Click code. Once it opens, I'll open all of it. Apply for example. Up there is then here are the clicks. Sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't like, subscribe, and like on to receive latest posts and videos. And also, don't forget to give a feedback on videos in the comments below. And also, I just want to tell you that after this video, because this video will be the last video in the of the HTML series, and this is a part 10. So after this video, I will be posting a lot of amazing stuff. For example, laptops, mobiles, devices, AirPods, unboxing videos, and side by side, I'll also be putting tutorials and more series like, for example, using coding studio, then learn different programming languages. Then I'll also might put some exploration videos which will not be tech related, but will be like, for example, exploring seas and other title or things like that. I will tell you by the time it comes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Bye, guys.